Okay, I'm going to try the new, at least I think it's new, pizza vending machine. It is here inside the Nimbus Winery. This is in Rancho Cordova, California, off of Folsom Boulevard. So I'm going to go inside and try it out. And here you go. Here is the vending machine right here. So I guess this is how they get inside and restock it. Here is their menu. Let's see. I think I might try meat lovers. Alright, so of course only payment method is card. So you can take it cold and heat it up at home, or you can have it hot right now. So you choose meat lovers and add. Wait, are you allowed to like change it? Let's see. I think you should be able to. Okay, so that's everything that comes on it. Add hot. Okay, so you are not allowed to change anything on it as far as taking stuff on or off. So it looks like they might have a coupon or loyalty program. Maybe there's some kind of an app. I don't know. Okay, yep, there is. So with every 10 products you buy, the next one is free. Proceed to payment. Okay, I'm gonna pay and I'll be right back. Alright, I have paid. No, don't want a receipt. And don't want to answer any questions right now.
Everybody in here, right?
Oh, dang it. So here you go. Here's the actual address if you want to know. And $3 off in the app, off your next purchase. Or when you purchase in the app, I guess. They must like speed cook it or something for it to be ready right now. It's gonna pop out right there. Oh, there's your little timer right there, I guess. This is a pretty interesting little place. I don't know if it's like a mall or anything. I've never been here. That's kind of what it looks like, a little mini mall. They got different places in here. But I heard about this place on the radio, so I heard about this on 105.1 KNCI. Shout out to Pat, Tom, and Kody. I'm trying this for the first time, so once I get out to the car, I will show you what it looks like. You won't get to see me eating on camera, unfortunately, though. I'll spare you that view. So this is going to be real time right here. There's not going to be any cuts or edits in this video, so what you see here is exactly how long it's going to take. The only cuts you saw so far was me walking in here, and then I cut it when I paid. But so far, this is real time of how long it takes. But for being only, what, 3 to 5 minutes it's probably going to take, that's not bad. I was kind of expecting a line to be in here, actually, but what's this? Oh, knives. Okay, so they provide knives for you if you want to cut it. I might want to take one of those because it's probably not cut. I should have looked at that. I could have got $5 off today. Dang it. Oh well. Depending on how good this is, I don't know if I'll be coming back or not, because it's kind of out of the way for me. I hardly ever come to this area, so. Looks like we're just about done. Okay, I just saw on the phone right there, it said 3-minute pizza. So I don't know if it takes exactly 3 minutes. Maybe we could go back on the video and check the timestamp of when I started. If this gets popular, they should make it to where you can customize your own pizza, put whatever you want on it. All right. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. So, let me show you this really quick. Not bad looking. Looks like it's a little overcooked, but hey. All right. So in the description of the video, I will put what I thought of it when I uploaded it. I'm going to go in the car, and I might film more, I might not. But if not, then I will put in the description what I thought of the pizza. Okay. I am now out in the car. I have cut a slice for me to try, and I will take a few bites of it and come back and let you know what I think. Okay. I have had a few bites, and I will say it's actually not bad. For a pizza that probably only took like, 5 minutes to bake and on the go, that was pretty quick and easy. For the price, I would say it could be a little bit lower, especially since it got overcooked just a little bit, but it's pretty good. I'd have it again if I was in this area. So there you have it. That is my review of the Pozza Forno vending machine here in Rancho Cordova, California. And once again, shout out to Pat, Tom, and Kody for mentioning this on the radio, and I finally got around to trying it.